Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to provide you two new promo codes for IKEA.com. So stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload a new video, then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. The code number one I'm going to provide you is you will get take $5 off on any purchase. So the code number one I'm going to provide you is IKEA 04HW6J. This is the code number one. Now I'm moving towards code number two. The code number two I'm going to provide you is you will get take 50% off any purchase. So the code number two is ECJ FFT823. This is the code number two. Simply use these promo codes and get your rewards. So thanks for watching.